What's up, everyone? So we just launched a few new Astro features. One being the competition column has changed the look. We're showing different data points. We're showing the FBA and the FBM seller. So you can see that side by side. When you hover over, you still get the same data points that you had before. You have the buy box contenders, how many people are within 3% of the buy box competition. So you can see this one here, for example, has 10 FBA sellers, 19 FBM sellers, and there are 4 people within buy box contention. And I'll show you a bit more of that later. So you can see all those regular data points. And the other cool one that we got is the new chart. So when you go to the chart, you open it up, you basically get all the previous data. You get the chart, the buy box line, all those types of things, the break even line, the offers average over here. But you also get the composition of the buy box, how much each seller is winning of the buy box, and below that you have all the seller data as well. So you have the seller name, price, FBA, FBM status, the rating, the buy box one, delivery date, and the stock levels. But the even better thing is that you can actually sort all these features. So if you want to sort alphabetically by name, you can just sort them over here, A to Z. If you want to sort by price, you can just do that here as well. So it makes it much easier than going to the listing and going through that side tab that Amazon has and trying to see how much stock each seller has and the delivery date and all these types of things. You can just come here and see that instantly. So it's very, very helpful. When you want to see how many people are within buy box contention, it's also shown here. You see the buy box winner is the person here, the first one that's highlighted in yellow, and all the buy box competitors, the ones that are within 3% of the buy box, are here. And if they're FBM, they're not probably not buy box contenders. So you can see all these types of data points here and make good decisions. Everything is built to optimize your productivity, make you work faster, make you work more accurately, and just help you increase your sales and make more money on Amazon.